Okay. Um, all right. So we just did number 6, number 7.
Mhm.
Um, I won't read that whole long thing, but
Okay,
what is the point estimate for the population mean? I said 541.
right. That's what I got. That's a 541. Okay. And I created 95% confidence interval for population mean. Show all your work below. So I used the X bar minus uh, the Z, the standard deviation, and
Uh-huh.
the sigma divided up for square root for sample number.
Mhm.
So when I put 95% and on the normal applet graph, it comes
Yeah.
1.6. So when I apply that number, um, the small size was 532.13 and large number was 549.87.
Yep. That's what I got.
Yeah. So we just put two numbers, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Okay. So for number 9, it says that the sample has changed to 100, and then do the same thing. So I did the same thing, except I changed the square root to 100, and so it'd be 10.
Uh-huh.
So this for the small number, I got 534.73.
Yeah, that's what 728. Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
I got.
728. Yeah. And then I for the large number, I got 547.272.
Right, that's what I got. So when they put the large number of sample, it actually is narrow down some uh interval, right?
Yeah.
Number 10. Oh, I already answered that. How does the margin of error for 95% confidence interval sample size 50 compares to 100? The number gets smaller.
Yeah, the number gets smaller.
Yeah. All right.
Okay. So for number 11, create a 90% confidence interval for the original 50 students.
Yeah.
I plugged in the numbers, and for the small one, I got 533.556.
Right. That's what I got.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
And for the large one, I got 548.444.
Yeah. That's what I got.
All
4,
right.
3. All right. And where I'm doing it now? Number 12, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. How does the margin of error 95 confidence interval that you computed in question 8 compares to margin error is a 90%? So number is the uh margin was that I don't know what to say. It was number is a the lower number was 532 to become a 533, right?
Yeah.
And then upper number become 549 to 548. So it was get margin gets a smaller.
Hmm.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. So that's what I got. The margin of error gets smaller. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said too.
Yeah. And number 13.
Okay. So for number 13, I
Uh-huh.
was not sure how to. Did you figure this one out?
So I look at when the instructor did it.
Uh-huh.
So when I looking at it, the x bar plus minus g is the sigma divided by square root n. So in there is that we try to get a n, which I don't know the n. Just again, we have to get it n out of it. So square root n x bar is the z and sigma. Then n should be When I read a textbook, I know the where it goes for two, two standard deviation.
Mhm.
Because it is one side of negative, the other side is upper, positive side.
Mhm.
So that's why to put, but I don't know where it suddenly came at the M. So those things I don't understand that.
Okay.
Did
Yeah, I wasn't quite sure on that one. But I did it last night. So I was like, well, I will look at the textbook again and see if I could figure it out.
yeah,
Um,
it's okay, page 13. I, I don't know that you can look at this.
Let me.
Is it this way? Maybe this way.
Yeah.
Here, the page 13 of 17,
Mhm.
they the formula is right there. So
Okay.
yeah, that's how they got this formula from this formula to make a n. But I need to last night I studied, I fall into sleep, so I don't know the exact how it exactly come with this.
Yeah. No. Okay. Then no, that's totally fine. Let's see.
But I need to stay today. I gotta work, but tomorrow I have a day off, so I'm
Okay.
gonna
Oh
do
yeah, I see the equation.
yeah. Do you see that 13? The page 13?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah, so you just the z-score times the standard deviation, and then the m is the margin of error. So I
right,
guess
right.
for this question, m would be 5.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right, that makes sense.
Okay. You're smart though.
Yeah.
You figure out much faster. So
Yeah.
yeah. This yeah, page 13 through the 17, I had to review it a little bit more than,
Yeah.
Yeah, I studied up to the I had to look at it. The so I'm gonna study for that. And if
Okay.
you any easy way, just text me, please.
Okay, I will.
All right. Okay. Have a
All
nice
right.
day.
You too.
And
I'll see you Thursday.
alrighty. Bye.
Bye.